Now that we've covered the core new features in the last video, let's take a look at some of the key improvements we've made to make your experience even better. One of the key improvements we've made is to the filters on the assessments page. You can now apply multiple filters at once to quickly narrow down and find the right assessments you need. Simply select the filters you want, and the page will update to show only the assessments that match your selections. This makes searching for assessments faster and more efficient than ever before. Next powerful new improvement in EdisonOS is the ability to add parent email addresses during bulk enrollment. When enrolling students in bulk anywhere inside the platform, you now have the option to include parent email addresses, whether you're uploading a CSV file or enrolling users manually. By adding this extra step, you're ensuring that parents are always in the loop. Let's take a look at another interesting update: Simplified tag selection. This improvement will help you manage your content more efficiently, saving you time while maintaining accuracy in your tagging. Previously, when you were assigning tags to content, you had to manually select each related subtag. This could get time-consuming, but now, tagging content just got a lot easier and colorful. Now, when you select a main tag, all related subtags are automatically selected as well. This means less clicking and faster organization. We're excited to introduce an important improvement to our question passages: citation support. This update makes it easier to reference sources within your assessments, ensuring that your questions are backed by solid references. Head over to any of the folders in the Question Library of Assessments section. Next, select the question type that fits your assessment, and then toggle on the option for Add Passage. Now, here's where the magic happens. When you're editing the passage, you'll notice a new field to add citation. Let's take a look at how this appears from a student's perspective. When they're attending the test, they'll see the passage with the citation displayed. After the student completes the test, the citation will also be shown in the detailed summary page. This helps ensure transparency and gives students clear access to their sources. Launching new feature controls for admins will show you how to manage which features are available to your users during system setup, so you can better customize their experience. Scroll to find module settings in the platform settings. This is where you can control which features are enabled for your users. These modules include features like assessments, classrooms, calendars, and a few more. Before I make any confirmed changes, here's what the interface looks like with all features enabled. Now, I'll go ahead and disable a few options over here. Let's see how the changes look after updating. As you can see, the features we disabled are now hidden from the user interface, making the setup more streamlined and customized. Next, the new Assessment Completion Controls feature in EdisonOS. This feature allows admins to ensure that learners must complete an assessment before moving on to the next resource, preventing important steps from being skipped. Let's see how it works. To begin, let's head to a classroom where I want to add an assessment. After adding the assessment, it's time to set up the completion rules. To do that, go to the Settings. Now, scroll down to find Curriculum Page Completion Rules. Here, you'll see an option to toggle on the assessment block. Click Update to save the changes. Now, let's take a look at the user experience. On the user's site, learners will see that they cannot move on to the next resource until they have completed the assessment. This helps ensure they fully engage with all the required content. And that wraps up the tutorial on the new July improvements in EdisonOS. We hope these updates will make your experience even more efficient and customizable. Stay tuned for more exciting features and improvements in our next update. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out through our Help Center or the support team. Until next time, happy teaching with EdisonOS.